A very good morning, children. So today we are going to continue our exercise 3.2 starting with fourth one. So this is the question which is quite different to yesterday's question, but the concept is same. Look, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay. So the reason why I kept something in capital letters is just to make you clear with this concept. So what is our requirement here? Sides of what? Regular polygon, where they gave only one of the interior angles is 165. They gave interior angle and they are asking for side. Okay. So if you observe, look at the board once. If I give you a triangle like this, how many sides does it contain? 3. Then what is the number of angles? Angles is also 3. Okay. So if it is a 4-sided polygon, 4 angles. So as they come in collaboration or correlation with each, hence there is an advantage of having angle in order to get the side or the side in order to get the angle. Okay, that is the beauty of this concept. So anyway, just to make you clear and to get the solution of this in the better manner, I want to compare this solution with yesterday's concept. Yesterday what we exactly have discussed is about exterior angles of regular polygon. Okay, so the concept which we dealt is exterior angles. Okay, so sum of, yesterday what we dealt is sum of all angles or exterior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees irrespective of the number of sides. In that case, if you have each angle or one angle, okay, each angle is equal to 40 degrees for example, then how we get the number of sides? Number of sides is equal to all by each, isn't it? All by each gave us number of sides, which is 360 divided by 40 degree makes 9. So how many sides are there in such a polygon if exterior angle is 40 degree? 9. We want to use the same concept, okay, for the solution of this. Look, where a change is there in exterior became interior. We know that sum of all the angles of a regular polygon, is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is which what we have learned. If it is sum of all interior angles, you please write interior, children. Sum of all the interior angles of a regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180. What about exterior angles? All 360 degree. Okay. Now observe this side. They gave each of its interior angle. Okay. Each interior angle is equal to 165 degree. Just like here I gave 40, they gave 165. If we want the number of sides, what we did? All by each. Okay. Here what is the number of sides we took? N. Isn't it? N. Okay. We have number of sides is equal to sum of all by each interior angle. Okay. Sum of all the angles divided by, okay, interior angle or interior angle measure. Here each or single. So now look. So what is the sum of all the angles here? n minus 2 into 180 degree. What is each angle measure? We have it as 165 degree. And what is number of sides? n, which is already we took. Now we have a linear equation in one variable. So multiply this 165 with n, so that 165n is equal to n minus 2 into 180. 180n minus 2 into 180, 360 degrees. Okay. So transpose this 180 or better. Okay, anyway. So 165n minus 180n. Okay, I am transposing 180, which is plus here to the other side. So it became minus, is equal to minus 360 degree. Minus 360. So 165 minus 180 or 180 minus 165 will get minus 15n. Minus 15n is equal to minus 360 degrees. Minus minus will get cancelled. We want only the n, which is equal to 360 degrees divided by 15. Okay, 360 divided by 15. So 5 3s are 5 7s are 5 2s are. So again 3 2s are 6, 4s are. Okay. So what is the value of n? Here it is 24. Through this what we can say, therefore number of sides is equal to 24 sides. Hope you got the point, children. Okay. So if it is exterior or interior, procedure is same. Where here some of the angles will change, there 360 will stand still. Okay. Hope you are quite clear with this solution. Now, before actually moving to the next question, here if we can understand one thing, it will help you to solve the next question very easily. You tell me, when we divided this 360 by 15, we got 24. Okay. So what exactly is 24? It is a whole number, isn't it? So if we get something like 12.302, okay, here after division, we won't accept such as the sides, isn't it? Because it is approximation only, not accurate side. So based on this concept, we can solve the next questions very easily. So please check the board. So now we are moving to the fifth question, children. So is it possible? Okay, I'm just writing the hints of the question. You copy the question from the textbook. Is it possible to have a regular polygon? Okay, this one is B. Regular polygon if each of its or with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. Okay, now look. So I am writing the solution for A first. So solution for A. Exterior angle is 22 degrees and interior angle is 22 degrees again. First let us look at A. Okay. For exterior angles given, for exterior angle given, what is the formula to find the number of sides? Okay, number of sides, it is equal to exterior angle. So 360 degree by measure of each angle. Okay, it is 360 by 22, isn't it? Just like the previous model we did. If we want the number of sides, the whole angle measure by each angle measure gives us number of sides or each external angle. So upon cancellation, for example, 2 11s are 2 180s. Actually I did it and it was approximately 16.36. Okay, 16.36. Look, so 16.36 sides, how can we define it as 16.36 sides, so which is not a whole number, isn't it? So through this what we can say is, no, 22 degrees cannot be 22 degrees cannot be the angle measure of a regular polygon. Angular measure of a regular polygon. Hope you understood, children, because how can we say that number of sides will be 16.36? As I told, it is not a whole number. Okay, not a whole number. And please observe, children, there exists a variety of approaches to solve these problems, but in order not to deviate from the concept, I am using or following the same procedures. Measure of a regular polygon. Okay, we are done with A. Now look, for what is B? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? So for interior angle given, or for the given interior angle, no problem. So for the interior angle given, there also number of sides will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree by measure of each interior angle. Okay, that is again 22. If we take n as the number of sides, n is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 22. Okay, just 22n is equal to 180n minus 360. Okay, so 22n minus 180n is equal to minus 360. Okay, so it is 158n minus 158n is equal to minus 360. Okay, so I am just writing here, you please copy down to this. What is the value of n is going to be 360 divided by 158. Okay, 360 divided by 158. It is going to be approximately 6.2. Okay, so which is not whole number. Okay, not a whole number. So here also we got the same thing, that number of sides is going to be 6.2. Okay, as it is not an exact figure of numbers or the sides, we can say same just like the above one. No, 22 degree cannot be the angle measure of a regular polygon. Okay, just for the better idea, interior angle measure, you write, cannot be the interior angle measure of a regular polygon. Hope you understood the concept, children. Very easy. If they ask exterior, 360 divided by. If they give sides, you will divide it with sides. If they give exterior angle, exterior angle. If it is the case with interior angles, instead of 360, n minus 2 into 180. Okay, very easy. Now, let us check that next question in next class. So, you please copy the CW carefully, children. And homework, I will tell you what to do. First, copy this CW. Thank you and have a great day.